Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic question answers from topic separation of mixture. Okay, so from separation of mixture I'll take out few question answers, I'll solve it. So these are very important questions. So these are question answers from separation of mixture. So without it, let's start with the topic question answers of separation of mixture. So let's start. So let's start with the topic separation technique. Here I'll teach about the different question answers that comes in separation technique. So first question you can see, question 1, suggest separation techniques. Okay, one would need to employ to separate the following mixture. So we have to tell the separation technique that are used to employ the separation of following mixtures. One is mercury and water, one is potassium chloride and ammonium chloride, next is common salt, water and sand, next is kerosene oil, water and salt. Okay, so these are the four separation techniques. So let's check the answers. So first one, you see separation by using separating funnel. All right, it is used for separating two immiscible liquid. The principle is that immiscible liquid separates out in layers depending on their densities. Okay, so this was a separation. Next is sublimation. Okay, what is sublimation? It is a process by which solid changes directly into gas and vice versa without passing through the liquid state. Okay, so ammonium chloride is sublime. Third is filtration. Okay, filtration followed by evaporation or centrifugation followed by evaporation or distillation. Okay, fourth is separation by using separating funnel to separate kerosene oil followed by evaporation or distillation. So separation by using separating funnel to separate kerosene oil followed by evaporation or distillation. Next question you see, which of the tubes in figure given here, that is A and B, will be more effective as a condenser in the distillation apparatus? So you can see the tube A. Okay, so you check the tube A. So this is tube A will be more effective as a condenser, okay, in the distillation apparatus. This is because a simple fractionating column, okay, a simple fractionating column is a tube packed with glass beads where the beads provide surface for the vapor to collide and lose energy so that they can be quickly condensed and distilled. So third question is, while diluting a solution of salt in water, a student by mistake added acetone, that is having a boiling point of 56 degrees Celsius. Then what technique can be employed to get back the acetone? Justify your choice. So simple distillation can be employed to get back the acetone. Since acetone is more volatile, it will separate out first. Okay, so simple distillation is a procedure by which two liquids with different boiling points can be separated. The process of heating a substance until it vaporizes, cooling the vapors and collecting the condensed liquid is the basis of a commonly used purification technique called distillation. So simple distillation can be used effectively to separate liquids that have at least more than 25 Kelvin difference in their boiling point. Okay, so since the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius, that is 329.15 Kelvin, and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, that is 273.15 Kelvin, and for distillation the minimum difference in temperature should be at least 50 degrees Celsius. Thus the process of distillation acetone can be separated. Next you can see question 4. Explain why particles of a colloidal solution do not settle down when left undisturbed. while in the case of a suspension they do. So colloidal particle resist settling rapidly to the bottom of a vessel due to Brownian motion. Okay, so Brownian motion is the random movement of colloidal particle suspended in a liquid or gas caused by collision with molecules of the surrounding medium. So the particle in the colloid are in constant motion. It has a strong intermolecular forces of attraction between the particles. But in a suspension, the particles are bigger than that of colloid, and also molecular interaction in the suspension is not strong enough to keep the particles suspended, and hence they settle down. Okay. So student, these are the homework question. You have to copy down all the questions that I've discussed now in this class. You'll copy it down in your chemistry copy. Okay. So you can see the questions. Again, I'm repeating 4 questions total I have discussed here. So first question, you can see, suggest the separation technique of that one would need to employ the separation of following mixture, that is mercury and water, potassium chloride and ammonium chloride, common salt, water and sand, and kerosene oil and water and salt. This is the first question. Second question is this. Third question is this. And the fourth question is this. So thank you. Thank you student. This was all about the entire video lecture. We have discussed about the topic separation of mixtures, question answer. So these are question answers from topic separation of mixture. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomuji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.